Hey everybody, look at this. What do we got here? Ooh, high grade. Haven't done one of these in a while on the channel. But we got the MS-06C-6/R6 Zaku II Type C6 R6. This particular Zaku works in the Department of Redundancy department. Principality of Zeon, mass produced, look, not mass productive, mobile suit. Yeah, it's from Origins. Now, the Origins kits are really nice. They're nice. The high-grade Origins stuff is slick. They all look really good. The best thing about this kit, not that, I mean, it's a Zaku. It's already cool. It has the anti-shipping rifle, the regular machine gun. It's got a heat hawk, and it's got the bazooka. Oh, it's got so much stuff. It's got a lot of stuff. You know, this is nice. Yeah, we're gonna crack this sucker open here. See what we got here. Yeah, plastic. Oh, it's one of those. Not that easy to open. Whoa, this new camera's nice. Look at this, I'm in 4K. However, the wide angle on it is not super wide. I may need to get a wider angle lensy thing. A lot of nice panel lines and panel details. Man, this thing focuses awesome up close. Look at that. It's got the little, maneuvering jet things. They're nicely detailed with the panel in the panel line department for sure. Massive tree of weapons. Oh, look, extra little rocket magazines for the bazooka. This is going to be nice. That massive anti-ship rifle. Usually you have to go p-bandai or something to get all the extra goodies. This is some, it's a thing. Probably a belt for the machine gun. We got some stickers. Okay, well, whatever. It's a high grade. What do you expect? You're not getting water slides and dry rubs most of the time, I assume, with a high grade. But, there we go. I'm seeing some familiar parts in here. Yeah, I just built another something or other recently and had almost the same exact runners. It's probably because I built the Rambaral Bugu, and that was Origins, and I had similar runner. Nice, it fits, nice, I like. Okay, shield, got the little clippy clips for the holes for to clip on, and yeah. It's just, yeah, I mean, it's a high grade, but it's nicer just because it's Origins. They put a little, all the strength in the world. And I don't have any. Now open that stupid bag. There's a little dweeby machine gun, power pipes that we don't need to put together ourselves. Always a joy. Polycaps. We got some different colors of plastic over here. Yeah, the color separation on the Origin high grades is at the least good, and on some occasions quite exceptional for such a small kit. We got some different grayish, weirdish, bluish grayish colors for the backpack and stuff. Another piece of the frame. Oh, nice super dark green. This is nice. We got a few different greens going on here. And we got our instructions. And normal stuff. Shows us what parts we are not going to use. A lot of color. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, this is going to be a fun one. Okay, well, let's slap this sucker together and get crack-a-lackin' on it. Oh, you spotted. Whoa, we upgraded not just the camera. We got these. We got the proper Gundam markers. In this kit, we have Zeon markers as well, and if we need it, we want to add a little color separation. But yeah, these things. Oh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Be careful with these nippers. Don't go. You can't just go willy-nilly clipping anything like you can with Tamiya's. And even these, I made a boo-boo. That right there, my friends, it's called piano wire damage. But, yeah, this thing focuses really nice up close. Hey, Sony camera, so much better than GoPro. The GoPro Get out of here, you piece of junk. We don't need you no more. I mean, I'll take it to the beach and stuff, and, you know, active lifestyle uses, maybe. GoPro. Oh, for active lifestyles of millennials. No. Okay, goodbye, GoPro. Luckily, they're very tough. Otherwise, I'll send it over to Demolition Ranch and let him blow it up with giant cans of pudding when he shoots them with the 50 BMG. That'd be fun. All right, shut up, Ian. Build the kit and show the guys. Bye. Well, there we go. We've got a whole bunch of robot parts. Everything has mostly been panel lined with the Gundam marker. Oh, it focuses so good. This new camera. Oh, people. This was worth pestering my wife for a year. Oh, look at that. Focus. And it focus. Oh, man, it's awesome. Okay, so we got all of our little bits on little clippy sticks. And I'm going to go out into the driveway and hit him with the Mr. Flat Clear. Oh my god, that focus is so fun. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'm going to hit him with the Flat Clear UV Cut Mr. Hobby. Don't forget to shake your cans rapidly. Okay, yeah, enough of a hint. So we'll do that because it's nice and warm out. And then we'll let them dry. And then I'm going to snap them all together, and you'll see the finished results very shortly. BRB. And we're done. She looks pretty good. I gotta tell you, I love the little Origins high grade. I wish they made Origins master grades. Like all 2.0s, Origins master grades. It would be so awesome. This little guy came out quite nice. Let me zoom out a little here. There we go. We could turn off the little turntable-y thing. But we've got panel lining, and the Gundam marker. When you clear over the Gundam marker, sometimes it gets a little runny. But yeah, came out pretty darn nice. I mean, it's just a high grade, but even a high grade, if you take your time, you can get some excellent results. Wow. I gotta figure out all the... Come on, focus right here. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty slick. I like it. I like it a lot. And that anti-ship rifle is badass. I mean, everybody hopefully has seen the Origins series of Gundam, but oh man, I mean those things are badass. Just shooting rounds right through tin can spaceships. Pretty interesting how easy those spaceships got blown up. But either way, you know, plot and all that. Yeah, we got our little turntable. Gotta be a turntable, people, to be official on YouTube. No turntable, you don't count. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, it went together nicely. Yeah, not much else to say for it. It was, you know, quick few hours of work on a Sunday, and we got some nice results here. So either way, this does have a lot of shared parts with all the other Origins Zaku's. So there's some leftover parts, some different colored parts, some alternate chest pieces and shoulder, well, chest still pieces, because they use the same sprues in different colors. Sorry, guys, runners. They use the same runners in different colors to make, like, the Black Tri-Stars editions and, you know, Ashar's version and et cetera, et cetera. Part of this kit shares parts with, like, the Bugu, probably the WAF, a bunch of the other Origin stuff. But they go together really well. Oh my god. And I can't stop gushing. These things are awesome. God hand. They're nice. I also have a set of the Dispay, whatever the hell it is. Display 3.0 nippers coming in. They should be here, I don't know, any day now. I'm going to compare them to the God Hands, like nobody's done that before. And, you know, Old Faithful, the Tamiya nippers, I mean, really, so rudimentary in comparison to a single blade, high quality nipper. It's just amazing. Either way, that's it for today. And we're done. New camera worked out well, I think. I'm going to upload, and I might even upload this in 4K. We'll see how that works out. But either way, everybody have a lovely day, and keep your stick on the ice. Later.